Hello everyone, welcome to my channel TechSavvy Indian. Today we will be reviewing the Galaxy S21 FE 5G. If you enjoy this video, then please like my video, subscribe to my channel and share this video with everyone. Let's talk about Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G and see how it holds up in 2023. This phone was released in 2020 and it gained a lot of attention and popularity because of its affordable option compared to its main flagship models. This phone has a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 1080p resolution. While it's not the best display out there, it's decent considering its price range. The design includes a hole punch display in the top and a plastic back cover, which makes it feel less premium than its competitors. The camera setup is a triple camera system on the back with a 12-megapixel wide-angle lens, an 8-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The front camera is a 32-megapixel shooter and it can take stunning photos. In terms of software, the phone received updates up to One UI 5, but it is uncertain that in the near future it will get more updates or not. Performance-wise, the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset with either 6GB or 8GB of RAM. It performs well for everyday tasks like texting, calling, and social media apps. It also handles some intensive games, although not as smoothly as the latest flagship models. The battery is a 4500 mAh capacity, providing good battery life, especially with its 1080 pixel display, and more or less you can get 1.5 days using this battery. Also, you have an added feature that this phone supports 25 watts of charging, and so you can charge this phone lightning fast. Within 1.5 hours it will be charged from 0 to 100%. So there is no tension at all in that segment. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE is still a good phone in 2023. While there are newer models like the S21 FE, this one still remains a good choice due to its affordability and decent performance. It's worth considering if you are looking for a capable phone without spending a fortune. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video with everyone. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for watching my video.